What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have two different mini PCs. This video is all about mini PC. A few days ago I have bought a mini PC from Geekom and I have made a review video, and then a lot of people have mentioned names of other brands and recommended me, and they wanted me to do some review of those mini PCs. I have bought some other mini PCs and I actually had to return two of the other mini PCs. One from the brand name is Chuwi or something like that. I had terrible experience with that mini PC, and really I don't know what happened, because I actually have tried two different Chuwi mini PCs and those two didn't work. Anyway, here today I have Beelink mini PC and Geekom, a newer version of Geekom mini PC. Last time I have bought a 8GB version, 8GB variant, and this time this one is a 16GB variant. Before we start the video, let me show you something. This is my weight machine. This Beelink mini PC weighs 344 grams, and this Geekom mini PC, this one weighs 614.8 grams. Because this one is totally built with plastic and this one has terrible thermal performance. On the other hand, this Geekom mini PC, this one has metal body and this one has better heat dissipation, better thermal performance. I have also recorded an unboxing video of this Beelink mini PC. I actually was preparing a review video on this one, but when I was doing the testing and everything, I was like totally disappointed, so I gave up the idea and I thought that why don't I do a comparison with this Geekom mini PC and share this with my regular viewers and subscribers. At least this may help you to make a better purchase decision. Well, first check the unboxing of Beelink mini PC, check the internals of Beelink mini PC, and then we will talk about the other features and we will do some comparison. Okay, this is that Beelink mini PC SEI series. This one comes with Intel i5 8259 CPU, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of storage. This one comes with 8th generation Intel CPU. The user manual actually contains basic operation and after service. Okay, very limited information. This is our mini PC. Let's put the mini PC aside and let's check what else do we have inside the box. There is a AC adapter. There is a 1 meter long HDMI to HDMI cable and a small, pretty short HDMI to HDMI cable. This one is to mount your mini PC at the back of your monitor, and some screws to put a SSD inside the mini PC and to mount it at the back of your monitor. Well, let's open this backplate and check how it looks inside. Well, this one has a dedicated place for SATA SSD drive. I'm not very happy to see that they have provided single stick 16GB RAM. I was expecting dual channel 2 sticks of 8GB RAM. Okay, this NVMe drive is attached to a pretty poor heatsink. Okay, this one is from Silicon Motion, or a Chinese brand, AGW. So I don't think this is pretty reliable. The total thing, the overall quality, it's so cheap. I'm totally disheartened. I did not expect this type of poor quality. There are a lot of YouTube channels praising this brand, but now I am really disheartened. Okay, if you have missed the unboxing of Geekom mini PC, if you have missed the review video of Geekom mini PC, so here it is. Both of these two devices are wide open for you. Look at this. Geekom mini PC comes with 2 sticks. This is dual channel RAM and these are Kingston RAMs with very good RAM timing. This is a single stick, and this RAM, this is actually OEM RAM. This one, this SSD NVMe, this one is also OEM. This NVMe SSD on Geekom, this one is from Kingston. So everything on this Beelink is pretty cheap. So the internals of Geekom mini PC is super premium beside this Beelink mini PC. And look at this. This is actually the heatsink for the NVMe, the SSD drive, and this is, I don't know, on Beelink, what is that? That's a design element or what? That's not gonna reduce any heat. Now let's talk about the ports. There are 2 HDMI ports on Beelink. There is only one HDMI port on Geekom Mini PC, but you will also get a mini display port. Yeah, I am using this one. I like to use this one. I prefer this one over HDMI. This feels more versatile. Also, all the ports on Geekom Mini PC, I mean all the USB-A and USB-C ports are Gen 2, while there is only one USB-C port on this Beelink. That one is in front, and at the back there is only two USB 3.0 ports. These two USB-A ports are Gen 2 ports, so they support 10 GB per second data transfer. Okay, yeah, there is only one USB-A and a USB-C in front of Geekom Mini PC, but once again, these are Gen 2 ports, and yeah, there are two USB 3.0 and a USB 3.1. Definitely, you are gonna get better data transfer speed on Geekom Mini PC. Well, it's time to do some testing on these two side by side. We will run a lot of benchmarks, we will play a lot of games, and then we will be back with more information. Another thing I must mention, this Beelink Mini PC comes with a 57 watt adapter. One more time, this isn't a premium quality adapter, and this Geekom Mini PC comes with a premium quality, a branded adapter. Handkey is a very well-known brand for their adapters, and this one is a 90 watt adapter. So from the wattage rating, you can see the differences. This one has more wattage, so this one can perform better. And why would Beelink go with a 57 watt adapter with the i5-8259U? I don't know. And Geekom with a better adapter with more wattage, definitely this CPU can give you more. Well, now let's talk about performance, true performance. I have tried to run Cinebench on both of these two mini PCs. I have even tried 3D Merc, the gamer's benchmark on these two mini PCs. I have tried to play games on these two mini PCs. I have tried to watch movies. I have tried to watch Netflix. I have tried to run YouTube for hours after hours on these two mini PCs side by side. Well, you can see in every single segment, this Beelink Mini PC is falling short of this Geekom Mini PC. And if you talk about price performance ratio, customer support, then there is no way I would go with Beelink Mini PC. There is another thing that I should have shown you at the beginning of this video. Check the mesh, check the ventilation, the materials, build quality, everything is better on Geekom Mini PC. It's not like my words against theirs, or it's not like their words against mine. It's the truth. You don't have to take my words for it. You can just go ahead and try one, and I'm sure this one isn't gonna disappoint you.